In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell stickers on Redbubble. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or whatever browser you have downloaded in your PC. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Opera, Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So, whenever you open your browser, just go to this URL section and simply type redbubble.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Redbubble website. So here you'll have simply to click on login so you can log in into your account if you have an account, and simply enter your email username and then password so you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up so you can create an account. As you can see, you can create an account as a customer or as an artist. So choose whatever suits you, then simply enter your email, username, and password, and then click on sign up. So once you're logged in or you create your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen of the Redbubble. Here you'll find a lot of products for yourself in this For You page. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we'd like to show you how to sell stickers on Redbubble. So of course, if you want to do that, you will have to upload your design as high quality PNG file with a transparent background that's around 2800 x 2800 pixels in size. Once your design is uploaded, make sure that your pricing is adjusted so that you receive the correct profit margin whenever you make a sale. Of course, you can do that through just by clicking into your account at the top right corner, then click on sell your art, then add some designs as we said, or click add this, add a new work, and you can actually sell your stickers. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.